Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got a brand new makeup line to next, and it is Woah. That's how you say it, Woah, Woah, Woah skincare. And this is the mini beauty box, and it contains all the skincare range, but in little minis, and you can purchase this for £22. So looking on the Next website, so this was a skincare range developed specifically for Next. So for instance, night serums cost £18, SPF lotions £10, you've got cleansing kits, you've got mini sachet testing kits as well of all the sachets for £10. Just to give you an idea of the cost, cleansing balms £12, hydrating mist £14. You can buy the ultimate collection, all full sizes, worth over £200. You can purchase it for £150. So it's there. I'll pop a link to the page where all the products are available, as well as a link to the box that I've got here down below in my description. So if you're interested, then take a look down there. Oh, look at all those! Look at all those woo-wee! Look at all those samples. So to give you some information then, and for myself to learn about it, it says the Ultimate Skincare Collection, a results-driven vegan skincare collection with high-performance active ingredients and essential oils suitable for any skin type, made in the UK. So you've got Calm, Soothe, Refresh, Brighten, Restore and Hydrate, and they're colour-coded. You see there? Calm is cucumber extract. To soothe, it contains eucalyptus essential oils. Refresh, you've got bergamot essential oils. Then you've got brightening, which contains grapefruit essential oil and it's fragrance free. Then you've got restore, which contains lavender essential oils. And then lastly, hydrate, you'll find rose essential oil. And on the back here, they've designed a morning and evening routine, which I thought was brilliant, really great. Working my way through this range, starting off with Calm. We've got a multivitamin eye cream with avocado oil and caffeine. There's 5 mils there. Next up, we've got a cooling micellar water, cucumber, rose water and aloe. And there's 15 mils there. And then lastly, we've got a detoxifying mask, clay, AHA and aloe, and there's 15 mils there. Oh, it smells gorgeous. Yeah. Oh, that smells really lovely. It smells really nice. I can smell the cucumber. Now on to the Soothe range, which contains eucalyptus essential oil. So we've got a hot cloth cleanser, green tea and eucalyptus, and there's 10 mils here. And we've got a moisture boost cream, niacinamide and peptides, and there's 10 mils here as well. That feels lovely. Yeah, that feels a really nice cream. Oh, my hand really needed it. So this is to soothe. Yeah, I can smell it. Very faint, but I can smell eucalyptus. Oh, it's just left my hands feeling super soft. Oh, it's lovely. Yeah. So there's those. Now on to Refresh, which contains bergamot oil. So we've got a vitamin C serum here with caffeine, vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. And there's 15 mils. Next we got a refreshing gel cleanser with vitamin C and ginseng, and there's 10 mils here. And then lastly we got a vitamin C gel moisturizer with caffeine, vitamin C and hyaluronic acid, and again 10 mils there. And let's try this one then. Oh, it smells absolutely gorgeous. But it's not overpowering. Like when you think of essential oils, sometimes they hit you, don't they, in products? But no, so far, no, it's not. It is beautiful. It is really nice. Just a very subtle smell. And again, it feels just really nice. Yeah, really nice on my hand. Next on to the Brighten range, which contains grapefruit oil and it's fragrance free. So we've got an SPF 30 lotion, UVA and UVB protection, brilliant. 10 mils there. We got a brightening toner with 4% glycolic acid and aloe, 15 mils there. And lastly, we've got an exfoliator. AHA's grapefruit extract and bamboo particles. And there's 10 mils there. And they've got on the back there how to use. For instance, this says use 1 to 2 times a week to treat your skin to an intensive exfoliating treatment. Apply to wet skin and gently massage using your fingertips. Leave for a couple of minutes, then rinse off with warm water. Next, we've got Restore range, and these contain lavender oil. So we've got a melt-in cleansing balm here with olive and lavender, and there's 15 mils. Let's open this up. Oh, I can just smell it slightly. Oh, I love cleansing balms. You might not be able to see much there. Next, we've got a recovery night serum with peptides, retinol and lavender, and there's 15 mils here. I'm going to have to look on the next website and look at the products individually to read more about them. But they sound fab, don't they? They sound really, really great. And lastly, from this range, you've got a recovery night cream, peptides, retinol and lavender, and there's 10 mils here as well. And then lastly, we've got a hydrate range, and these contain rose essential oil. We've got a hydrating face mist. I love face mist with rose water and hyaluronic acid, and there's 15 mils here. Whoa, that's quite heavy going. Yeah, that's quite heavy. Ooh! Oh, yeah, it does smell a rose. It does smell a rose, but I don't like rose smells. But it's alright, it's alright. It just feels really nice and fresh on my skin. That's what I love about face sprays. So yeah, hydrating face mist. And then we've got a hydrating mask with rose water and ceramides. And there's 10 mils here. So those are all the products in the little tester box. I am really excited to give these a go. There's so much to choose from. I'm really, really happy that they've got a AM and PM routine here. For instance, your morning routine, you'd have the refreshing gel cleanser, the brightening toner, hydrating mist, vitamin C serum, vitamin C moisturizer, then your SPF 30. For the evening routine, you've got a cooling micellar water, melting cleansing balm, dual action exfoliator, detoxifying mask, multivitamin eye cream, recovery night serum, recovery night cream, and hydrating mask. If you've tried any of these products as well, I would love to hear what you think of them. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come, and I'll speak to you all soon again. Bye.